Hey, have you ever seen this show before? No? Why do you ask? I don't know. The show was always just so terrifying to me, and based off of the look that you had, it seems like you aren't really that scared.
I'm ready to go. All right then, let's get motoring. See you after the movie.
Nope, I guess not. Dude, it's getting kind of late. Like, it's already 3:05. I think I should probably leave. But it's not even dark yet. What? Well, that's just rude. Yeah, why is he leaving? Oh no! I feel suddenly the urge of falling asleep because movie logic! Ah! Hey, did you see that girl yesterday that I think she was new around here? She was cute, right? I don't know. I don't really want to talk about it. I mean, she was cool, I guess. It's not like I want to ever have anything to do with her. Oh, come on, man. Don't act like I didn't see you making lovey eyes at her. Okay, I'll admit it. I have been researching some ways of getting someone to notice you. Well, I found this dark arts book that I think might have the love potion. See, it's dark arts. Well, what does it say? It says right here that you need something mechanical in the white circle of Zeusius. Do you even get that? Probably. I mean, we might die, but it's worth a shot. Yeah, and let's do it tomorrow, because movie logic and other excuses, like our recorder doesn't have enough time today. Hey look, we appeared here the very next day without any rhyme or reason. Also, we had different clothes. Something mechanical, though. What are we gonna do? Oh, I have a lawnmower. Okay, you get the lawnmower, I'll start the circle. Let's do this. Oh, I forgot how conveniently placed my lawnmower is. It's almost as if we're telling a short story. That's a small circle. What do you mean small? Do you know how long this took me? 5 minutes? Yes. Okay, well, it works, so let's do this. Okay, well, so far so good. Have you got the spiritual book? Yeah, it's right here. Where did you even get that? Oh yeah, movie logic. Okay, let's do this. Come on. No, I think you have to. I'm not the one that has to do this. Ah, fine. Okay. Well, I guess I might as well get started now than never. Okay, I'm ready for the ritual. I'm worried. Let's do this. Somebody once told me that the world was gonna roll me because the answer was still in the shed. Sorry, man. Tough luck. Wait, no. It says right here that if nothing happens, then it's probably working. And if nothing happens, then you need to leave it for, I don't know, an hour, I guess. I'm pretty sure that you just made that up, but it's okay. So, I mean, sure. So, what are we gonna do to kind of, well, we're waiting an hour for the magic to happen. I don't know, let's watch a mature movie. Like what? VeggieTales. Oh yeah, let's watch that. This is a boring movie. Nothing's even happening. Nothing's moving. And why do we even use a TV? Look, man, I'm sorry. It didn't work. No, it's okay, I guess. I didn't really expect it to work anyways. Come on, let's just go put the lawnmower back. Okay, let's go. Wait, what about our circle of Zeusius that we made? Let's just leave it. Hey man, you alright? Yeah, I'm fine. Well, I mean, can't win them all, right? Yeah, I guess you're right. Come on, let's just put this thing away before someone tries to steal it. Come on, man, let's go. I want to finish the level. We're almost done. Yeah, I guess being the boss might cheer me up. Yeah, man, let's go. Come on. I'm coming. Ha! I bet you wish that you hadn't stolen my cookie in 5th grade, don't you? What? No! It was a good cookie. Fine, I shall save you. Oh wow, you actually saved me! Yes, let us go. Run. We might be safe over here. We're safe. Oh no! Look! Over there! Oh no! Come on, let's go. We have to escape. I think this way may lead to a save point. Why are we running again? Remember? We are running to escape the evil lawnmower. What lawnmower? Ah! Quickly! We must escape through the fence so that we may run away from the lawnmower. Sheet goes by. We are escaping! I think we escaped. Oh no! Quickly, this way. Oh, come on, it's not even that scary anymore. Ah! We need to arm ourselves. Yeah, we should. That's a good idea. Quickly, we must go this way. This jacket should work as armor. Quickly, we must arm ourselves with whatever we find in here. Ooh. Nice. Yes, that should work as great armor. Let us move on. This Tron blade shall come in handy. I'm satisfied with my outfit. Please, we must hurry. I hear the mysterious power sword lurking nearby. Look, there it is, the power sword. But before I use it, I must give it the breath of life. Now let us go with the sword of power to defeat the lawnmower along with this thing and this armor jacket. Okay, well, I got this thing. It's a Nerf gun. And the horse of horsesness. As I put it on, I gain 10 magic points. I don't know. I can feel the power coursing through me. Now that I think about it, why are we even doing all this for one girl? Storyline. Well, let us go on our epic quest. With this thing. Look over there, my friend. It is a lawnmower. We shall make work of it and show this lawnmower fiend what we will do to it with our new weapons. Also, my jacket fell off. My friend, do you hear that? It is the sound of the lawnmower. It is all too quiet. Let's go kill it. Lawnmower, we are here to vanquish you. Yeah, what he said. Getting closer. Here it comes. What's that sound? I think the lawnmower's dying. It's out of gas. Oh my god, you're right. It's out of gas. Yay! Come on, let's go home. And next time you need to get attention from a girl, just look up an online wiki, buddy. Come on.